Another one here.
I want the green goggles because
Alright,
green's
so you
awesome.
can use this chair. So just move that around. Alright, so does everybody
There you
have
go,
a chair? Yep, just move the chair around there. Does everybody have goggles?
Yep.
Yeah, move on that side so you can see. So can you move down a little bit? I'm sorry? Here we go.
I actually watch Buster's. Really good show.
Something's what on the floor? Okay, so goggles. All right. You have goggles.
Yep.
Okay. So we talked about a chemical reaction, and what kind of reaction did you see outside?
We saw a reaction where it has water bubble up and go to the oil and then come back down.
Ah, okay.
And there are carbon dioxide bubbles in it.
So there was a what causes the bubbles? A
Chemical reaction.
gas. So you saw
Oh.
a gas. Okay. So have you ever heard of luminol?
No.
I think so.
No. Okay, so it's something that's going to, you should be able to figure out a chemical reaction.
And hydrogen power is like poisonous.
I'm sorry?
Hydrogen power is like poisonous or something.
None of this is poisonous. It will not hurt you.
Okay.
Now, have you ever seen fireflies?
Fireflies, yes.
What happens to a firefly
They
in the
glow.
dark? They glow.
Oh,
right.
are we going to do some kind of experiment where it glows?
Well, maybe. We'll have to... No, you may not make yourself glow. Okay, so we're going to have a chemical reaction, 2 or more substances combined, which you told me from outside, and they change their form. So you can tell a chemical reaction has taken place when you see one or more of the following. A color change, a gas, which was, what did you say you saw that was a gas?
Yeah.
That was
Carbon dioxide.
Temperature change. How would we figure that out? What would we
But
notice?
it would get colder maybe.
Or,
warmer.
right. And then we also might see that there's a production of light.
And
Okay,
it's a bit
so-
obvious on how to figure that out. Just turn out the lights.
Well, we could. Yeah, we could do that. All right, so we have 2 substances here. This one is called hydrogen peroxide, and this one is called luminol. Okay? And so I need some assistance. So, okay, yep, so I'm going to have you and you start.
Yeah.
All right, calm down. First of all, have you ever used a pipette?
A pipette?
This is a pipette. Have you
Oh.
ever seen one of these?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Yes, you squeeze it and this thing comes in.
The thing. What is the thing?
The
liquid.
The liquid. So you would dip it in, you squeeze it, you dip it in, and then you release it and pull it out. So this one is the luminol, so I think I asked you to do this. We're going to do this together, so I could do this. So just squeeze it and release. Okay. So I want you to fill this up to like the bottom of that blue line, all right? So you're going to dip it, squeeze it, squeeze it first before you dip, then dip all the way in. All right, now, oh, don't squeeze it again because then you squeeze it all out. So let's squeeze, dip, and then release. Okay, so we're not, let's try that again. So squeeze it really tight, then dip, now release. All right, now we want to then just release it in there, and you can squeeze it, yeah. Now, you tell me, do we need more or not?
More.
Okay, so let's try again. So squeeze. Okay, and then I think you were squeezing. Okay, keep going. All right, tell me when it's at the bottom of the blue. Is it at the bottom of the blue? About there. Okay, that's good enough. So I'm going to cover that. Now you're going to do the same thing, but can you see the number 3?
Yeah, oh, get it up to number 3.
Get that up to number
I see.
3.
We have to have a certain amount of each.
Right.
So
good observation. So let me move that. Okay.
squeeze it first.
Squeeze it first. What? No, you have to squeeze it and hold it. Then dip it in. Keep going. Now release. So when you sit down here, you're going to release. And now pull it up, and then start to fill that up. And watch where the number 3 is. Okay, let me know if you need more. Keep squeezing. Okay, is it up to 3 yet?
Like a teeny bit under 3.
All right, so let's do just a tiny bit more. Let's squeeze first. dip. Wait, you have to squeeze and hold. Now release. Release this and pull it up. And now, just watch, just do a little bit. Tell me when it's at 3. You other guys can help them too. Tell them when
I
it's
say that's it.
Okay,
Yeah.
so let's put that back in here and I'll squeeze it.
Yeah, that's the. Wait, I think that's.
Exactly. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, now we have, this is the hydrogen peroxide and this was the luminol.
And now we're gonna put them in there,
Well,
right?
let's look at them first. What do you notice? Tell me what you see here and here. How would you describe?
Well,
Well, let him,
Oh.
you had a job, I'm giving him a job.
Okay.
So everybody will have a job.
One has more.
One has more, okay? What do you observe?
I observed that, like, right here is kind of blue.
Okay, you see a little bit of blue in this one, okay? And what do you observe? Right, we had that, and then he said this was blue. What color, thought this one had a little bit of blue. What color are they basically? Basically clear. Okay. Now, if I put them in our secret house here,
it's not very secret how you showed us.
all right, what do you see? Do you see anything? Did anything happen? Or are they basically the same? Okay, can everybody see that?
I think it's gonna glow.
You think it's going to glow? Is it
When we
glowing
mix them-
yet?
Well, when we mix them together.
You think mixing them together will make them glow?
Yes.
Okay. So I need some helpers. So you're going to help me over here. So well, let me just move this over here.
I really hope.
All right. So what I'm going to have you do is pour this into here. Okay. Got all of that in there? Okay. Good job. Did anything happen?
No.
No. All right.
Well,
And I
not
think
yet.
it's your job now. So everybody has to watch what happens when you pour this one in here. Okay? It's your job. You're going to pick this up and pour it in here. Yep. That's okay. Pour all of it in.
It's glowing. It's glowing.
Oh, what happened?
It's glowing.
It's
The
glowing?
chemical reaction caused it to glow.
And what happened? Which one of our things happened? We
Producing
have
of
a
light.
color change, right. We have a color change, right?
Producing of light.
Do we have any bubbles?
Yeah, a little.
A little bubble, so we have produced a little gas. And let me put it in here. So,
It glows a bit. Oh yeah, it glows.
so can everybody see?
Yeah.
I think so. This is what they put in glow sticks. Yes? Oh, okay. So this one would be a different chemical. This one's the same, but that one's different. All right, so what happened?
The chemical reaction caused it to change colors.
Change color and...
Produce gas and produce light. But we don't know about temperature change. yet.
All right, well, let's find out. So, who didn't have a job yet? All right, so can you feel that? Does it feel different? No. So was there any temperature change?
No.
No.
But still, we had 3 to 4.
Okay, and why are your glasses not on?
Sorry.
Thank you. All right, so we had several of them. If you have any questions about them.
Very interesting.
All right, well, I'm glad you're
Very I actually slept in this museum.
You slept in this museum, okay.
I'm a scout.
You're a scout.
Yep.
All right. So we do have another activity over here or one over here if you have time to stay. Otherwise, thank you very much.
Oh, we're in the
Make sure
wrong
you
time.
leave your glasses. Yeah? All right. Good job, everybody. All right. Yep.